Welcome back to another episode of EG Outdoors. So, quick intro. Me and my friends went out hunting. Yes, hunting, because this is like a fishing YouTube or fishing channel, and I was like, I know I have to do hunting this year, so I bought pretty much everything so I can hunt and do it right. I got Onyx, so I know what public lands are, and you know, I knew what was land I can get on. But other than that, it was a successful yet not so successful hunt. I really wanted my friends to get on some of the quail while we were out there, and you know, we were chasing them for so long, and I give each and every one of us credit for putting the miles and, you know, for just being able to chase them down for so long. And I'm hopefully next time we can go out and get them down on the ground for each one of them. We had to share one shotgun, so yeah, it was, if we had more, we could probably get a couple more in. I already have the bird all seasoned and everything, so yeah, this is pretty much it. I can show you a couple videos of us walking in the terrain that we faced. Just a whole bunch of chollas, I think it's called. Needles everywhere, everything wants to just poke you. But yeah, it was sweet to be out there. You know, it was our first hunt ever for every single one of us, and just putting the miles, it was amazing. And being out there early, I don't know, just being out on the land is amazing. But yeah, back to the video. I'll show you guys of the little terrain that we went through. Sorry for the sirens that are going off in the back, but let's go on with the video. Let's try that brush right there. I'm not hearing it.
But it might. Well,
it might be a little too early, but I want to try this brush right here.
Let's keep it up. The one a little farther?
No, this one right here. Just this little brush right here. See if anything pops up. Alright, let's stay behind him. He's gonna take a shot.
Which was the one here? One's coming this way. Alright. I say let's go around the left of it then and then to the back so that we can see the pit. You know what I mean?
Sure.
Alright.
Sorry, I'm hopefully no one pulls up on my car and takes it. Yeah, but that's been a while. I need to bring my water. Yeah, I have it on. Just got one bird down in the ground. It's time for Nick and Jason's turn. Dude, this bird was literally flying around right early. I'll spot you guys out. Watch out where you're stepping, man. Cut it out. You good? Yeah.
You want to grab it?
Oh, fuck.
My hand feels so much better.
Yeah, dude, fuck that. Watch out with it. Yeah, be careful, cause you guys both stepped over.
Yeah, dude, I just wasn't looking.
Oh, yeah. Alright, welcome back, everyone. Went hunting with some friends for quail. It was my first time hunting and got a good shot on a quail. Actually, a back shot, so I didn't even get any of the chest meat. But finally home, got it all dressed, and now we're gonna season it so we can eat it up later today. So this recipe calls for some olive oil. I just add a little bit to it. All right. It also calls for salt. I'm gonna do a little of that. Hopefully it doesn't come out too salty, but some pepper. Just a little bit on each side. Get it all covered up. A teaspoon of garlic. Nope. Nice. Also some honey. That's like the kind of weird one. I'm just gonna add it. Oh, well, that was a lot. I tried adding a little bit and I went everywhere. The honey. I don't know how this is gonna taste. This is what the recipe calls for, so have some thyme. And I'm gonna refrigerate it for about an hour and cook it on the grill. So just wait for that. I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so this is the quail. Got it all cleaned up. Well, of course, I got it all cleaned up, but you know, I added all seasoning. Just gonna wait for the grill to get up in temperature. It's set to get it pretty hot, so gonna just wait a couple minutes, clean it off, and then get the quail on the grill. All right, so I put the heat up. It is up there. So let me just get this quail on there on the grill. I think I'm just gonna, oh well, I'm just gonna get on with this. Oh yeah. There she goes. said leave it there for a couple minutes. Got one good flip in. That's what it looks. Looks pretty good. I was just gonna wait a couple longer. Gonna go close the lid. See the finished product later. All right, I'm finally done with the quail. I grilled it for several minutes. It's a pretty small bird, so you don't have to cook it for too long. This is finished product. I had to cut it open just to make sure it was done. But yeah, let me go ahead and try this out. It's not pink, so it's a good thing. It's quail. Never tried it before, so hopefully it tastes pretty good. A bit tough. But the seasoning does add some really good flavor to it. Well, you for sure do need, you know, a couple quail for a pretty good meal. That was pretty quick. It doesn't have too much meat on it. Doesn't have too much meat onto it. But yeah, it was pretty good, honestly. It does not taste anything like chicken. But yeah, it was a little tough. I must have cooked it, overdone it. You know, it's my first time, so I don't want to eat anything raw. Or, I mean, it's a little quail, so you can't really do anything wrong except overcook it. But yeah, I would recommend trying that seasoning. Hopefully there's more videos to come. Hopefully my brother and cousin do come out and maybe we can do another catch and cook. I didn't really record much of what was this hunt because I was in the moment, you know, first time hunting, so I forgot about the camera. I was just doing my own thing, being really quiet. I did record some parts, but I mean, it's just me walking, and I could show you a little bit of it and what I captured, see if there's anything good. But yeah, hopefully we can make another video coming out soon and get it to you guys as soon as possible. I hope you guys liked the video. I would really recommend trying this recipe. It was pretty good. I don't know why it came out a little chewy, but we'll be out there for more birds and trying out other recipes for this. I did see this like bacon wrapped quail, and that one looked pretty good. So hopefully I can get back to you guys as soon as possible. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and see you guys on the next one. Alright, bye.